Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Florida Food Forest. Well, my order came in from Baker Creek. I went and cheated and put some in the ground already, but the order came in, and this is typically my go-to spot is Baker Creek, rareseeds.com. If you need some success under your belt, say if you're just starting or you just need that success, you need a win, radishes will probably give you that win. The only downfall is, at least in Florida, the ideal temp, 50 to 75 degrees. Cool thing though, they are frost hardy. These are great for their winter time here. It takes about 60 days before they're mature. I went and got some more wasabi radishes too. Now, by that name, obviously they're a bit spicy, but they are absolutely delicious. Woo! Another thing is though, they are ideal temp 50 to 75, frost hardy. So, yeah. I don't know. They give me some lettuce as well. I'm not really big on growing lettuces. I grow like Swiss chard and some perennial plants. Longevity spinach, Okinawan spinach, Katuk, moringa. So I don't know. I went through and I already planted these. I mean, the ideal temp 60 to 80. We're a bit warmer than that. Frost hardy, which is cool. But I never really have much luck with lettuce. Of course, they keep trying to do the same thing over and over and over with lettuce. And then I got some cabbage. These are frost hardy, but the ideal temp 50 to 75. I'm not sure when to put those in the ground. That's something I'm going to have to try to look up or go by, go by a feeling, because it's quite warm out now. I don't know the temperature, but I think we're probably about 80 or so. And another thing, if you need some success under your belt, whether you're a new gardener or not, beans. I almost always get bush beans. Not the stuff in cans, stop it. But the stuff that grows into a bush shape instead of the trellis that you have to build for the plants themselves. But again, if you need some success under your belt, beans are the way to go. And I'm going to dump these out like a weirdo. Ideal temp 70 to 90, perfect. We got that frost hardy. Woo, that hurts. So I just planted a few of these. I didn't go nuts with them. I think it takes 80 days for those. I could be wrong. I don't think it says in the back. Yeah, I think it takes about 80 days anyways. I don't know. I'll find out. I got some more bush beans. I planted 3 of these. Thai soldier. Again, ideal temp 75, 90, frost hardy. No, that stinks. No idea on the time it takes. I probably could look it up, but yeah, whatever. Let's just make a video and have fun. Red Swan Beans. I planted 6 of these just to give them a shout. Just to give them a start. I mean, yeah, I'm going to shout out to the beans. Woo, beans, I love you. Seed depth 1 inch. Planting space. Ideal temp 75, no, 70, 90. Frost hardy, no. Ouch. But like I said, I already went through and planted some of these. And now for beans, I've never really amended the soil. Just kind of put them barely under and away they grow. And this one was coming out, but ooh, I guess it was delicious for somebody. It was delicious for somebody. It's gone. Maybe I'll put another one in that spot. But see, I just got a few of those. These are the Thai soldiers popping out here. And here I have my limas. They're coming out. There's a couple a little bit faster than others, but they're coming. And here's the red long beans. Woo, these are growing good. They've only been in the ground for a couple days. I see I got some people coming in and nibbling. Yeah, I got people coming in and nibbling on leaves. I got some bugs coming in and nibbling on leaves, probably. I don't see anybody in my backyard. You're nibbling on stuff. You get out of here. Get out of here right now. But anyways, outside of that weirdness, beans grow pretty good, man. If you need some success, grow these guys. Other than that, I hope you have an awesome day. Bye-bye. Oh, look at that. The jujubes are getting in flower. Whew. You want a stinky flower of those, man. They smell kind of like mothballs and urine. Not really a good smell, but they make some wonderful fruits. Oh my gosh, they're so delicious. Oh!